Welcome freelancers, this is Zahin and I guide freelancers to succeed and make good money online. In my last video, I talked about how to create a great profile and a fully approved profile on the Upwork platform. And if you have missed it, don't worry, I'll put the link in the description. And in this video, I will talk about how to build a great, impressive and lucrative profile that will help you to land your first jobs or get good projects. The 6 important things that the clients consider before hiring a freelancer. Number 1 is your profile title. Number 2 is your profile bio or your description. Number 3 is your portfolio or your experience. And number 4 is your profile rating or your job satisfaction rate. Number 5 is your talent level, whether you are a beginner, a rising talent, or a top ranked freelancer. And number 5 is your pitch to the client. In today's session, I will focus on the first 2 points which are more important when it comes to freelancers who are new in this field. And the remaining points shall be discussed in my later videos. The first thing that the client is going to look at is your profile title. So it has to be catchy. Your profile title must include keywords that reflect your skills. I will take a content writer and a web developer as an example. So if you just write a content writer, it does not reflect any skills or abilities. On the other hand, if you write SEO blogger, a copywriter expert, a research writer, this second title is more impactful. It gives a good impression to the client and shows that this freelancer has some knowledge in this area. In my second example, if you just write a web developer, it does not have an impact. Instead, if you write a full stack web developer, a WordPress and Wix professional, a CMS expert, it reflects some of your abilities and will steer the client's attention to view your profile. So remember to include the keywords in your profile title. Now coming to the profile description. Fiverr has a limit to the words that you can add to the description. Other platforms like Upwork and Freelancer.com, they allow a longer description, but it is not recommended. If you have a very long profile description, then probably the client is going to skim through it. If the description is short and to the point, there are chances that the client will read the full description. So use short 2 to 4 paragraphs and do not clutter the information in one whole paragraph. Craft a one-line summary of what services you provide. So the first sentence of your freelance bio should be an elevator pitch. So anyone reading the first sentence should have a clear idea of what you do and what services you're offering. Use keywords to represent your skills. It is a very powerful part of your personal branding. Also include portfolio items as per your experience. So mention about your successful tasks or projects which you have completed in the past and about your professional work experience or any certifications related to your work. And in the end, there should be a call to action. Now let me show you with a practical example of a content writer. So the first sentence not only shows the services you're offering, but also highlights the client's pain point. I can imagine the pain when clients outsource blogs and articles to SEO writers who don't know even the basics of SEO and on-page, off-page optimization. Guess what? You don't have to face the adversity anymore. So mentioning the client's pain point is a good way to gain the trust of the client. In the second paragraph, you can see that I have used many keywords that reflect and shows my abilities and skills. I'm an expert author of technical blogs, user guides, product reviews. My stronger skills include Amazon affiliate articles, finance blogs, WordPress, CMS, and keyword research. Then you can also add some information related to your background, your experience, and your portfolio. The last paragraph or sentence is a call to action. My strong SEO competency and creative skills will give you the best blogs and articles. So let's discuss and get started with the project. Now let me show you another practical example, but this time of a web developer. It is a slightly different way to start, but again, it shows all the services I'm offering. My goal is to create amazing websites and web-based applications that drive your business and improve the efficiency of your outsourcing project focusing on PHP, WordPress, Wix, Drupal, Django, HTML, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript, etc. The second paragraph includes keywords that reflect my abilities and skills. The strongest skills include PHP, its frameworks, Laravel, CodeIgniter, Eclipse, Angular, JS, Node.js, WooCommerce, MailChimp, CMS, Firebug, etc. The third paragraph includes some portfolio items. Have huge experience of creating software as a service, content management system, and customer relationship management projects from scratch using various plugins and extensions like data tables, different chart plugins from validators, user logins, editors, etc. Followed by a call to action. With my commitment to detail and strong creative skills, I am confident that I am perfect for your projects. Let's discuss. This is a very powerful and effective way to formulate your profile description. And with experience, you can always add or update the information to your description. So this concludes our session. Let me know if this information was helpful to you or if there is anything you need help with. Write it in the comment section and I will guide you. In my next session, I will cover how to create a profile on Fiverr platform. Make sure you subscribe the channel so you do not miss out any important information. So freelancers, stay motivated, keep working hard. I want you guys to succeed. Until next time, take care.